have to be quiet because my kids are sleeping, but I want to show you guys a little trick that I came up with to drink onion water to help clear a cough. Onion water is just a cut up white or yellow onion in a jar of water left overnight in the fridge, and you strain the onions out and you drink like a shot glass worth of the onion water in the morning and at night. For kids, if you just mix that much, like in a cup of orange juice, my kids don't even taste it, and it really helps clear out the mucus for a cough. Okay, so this is the onion water. Olive juice. These are garlic olives. Not a lot, but I kind of like a lot of olive juice. A little olive juice. As little as you can manage to get it down. Honestly, this is getting a little full. But the secret ingredient. I don't really drink, so don't judge me for this. I only use this for like tinctures and stuff. But vodka. This is like the cheapest vodka literally that I could find. And that's like a little martini. So cheers. Get better soon.